Introducing the all-new Corolla.
Police in Saipan have now classified the case, where two bodies were found after fire engulfed a house in Esgono, as a double homicide. Department of Public Safety Commissioner James De Leon Guerrero told Saipan Tribune that investigators now believe there was foul play behind Sunday's fire, where the bodies of a Chinese couple were found completely charred in their bedroom. NMI Crime Stoppers Program Coordinator Jason Tarcong also disclosed that further investigation and crime scene processing determined that arson was involved. As this developed, the victim's family members suspect that robbery was the motive and that possibly more than two people were behind the arson and killing. Tarcong said that Go Wangzu, 40, male, had signs of blunt trauma to the head, while the injuries of King Xiu Zhang, 38, female, were still unknown. The couple had been farming in a leased property in Asgono for more than 2 years now. They had been supplying vegetables at hotels and other stores on the island. Mark Rabago, PNC News, Saipan.